Yes, sir.
Can't stop the flop.
Turkey hunting celebration. Give me some, brother. Hey, turkey hunting celebration once again. Smoking 2 old sad daddies. Well, here we go, Campbell Illinois Whitetails. It's 5th season, it's late April, and Clint Schwach's going to be joining me along with cameraman Brandon Doherty. Well, we pull into Campbell's. As we pull in, I'm telling you, it's not looking good. We got major storms headed our way. You know, I got a great history here with John Campbell and everyone here at Campbell Illinois Whitetails and Campbell Cameras. And you know, Clint and I both have taken some great deer over the years here. And this is going to be our very first turkey hunt, and we are looking forward to it. First morning's hunt, Clint and Brandon head one way. Kyle from Campbell Cameras and myself head to another direction. Hey, it ain't looking good. There's rain in the forecast and 15, 20-mile-an-hour winds. Right here is a perfect time to test out the lynch mob box calls. And believe you me, we are.
First morning in Illinois. We got one gobbling, but he's a mile away.
Well, the turkeys are gobbling, they're going down the tree line. The boys got to make a quick decision, so they decide to get up and make a move.
All right, here we go. We're making a move. Got these 2 turkeys over here gobbling all the way across this field. And they can't hear us over here, so we got to boogie across here. Get set up, get close to them. I think they'll gobble, they can hear us. They should come in. Yeah, it's 15, 20-mile-an-hour wind here.
The boys head across the field, get inside the timber. They've cut the distance. It's time to set up the DSDs.
Let's head out. Come around.
They got a Jake, a breeder hen, and another standing hen, and they're set up and ready to call with the lynch mobs.
They should be right in here. I don't know. I'm gonna hit them one time just to see. Oh gosh, yeah.
Oh, Clint hammers with the box call, and I mean they jump on it immediately.
We made a move, and here they come. I see them right on the edge. Yep. They're getting ready to pop out in front of us. Right by them big black trees, right in that brush.
Side by side, here comes 2 old sad daddies. And they coming in and they go right to the DSD decoys. What a beautiful sight in that open timber.
side, a Nora. Lynch mobs. First morning in Illinois, and we're already done. And he's flopping in the pond. I'm gonna go get him. Illinois, Illinois. 15-mile-an-hour winds. And it's not even 7 o'clock and we're already done in Illinois. Check out these hooks, Brandon. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Smoked.
Bella, my old Benelli barks, and I mean, the turkey hunting celebration begins.
Woo! I'm gonna call old Phillip.
Hi, you've reached Phillip Vanderpool.
Hi, you've reached with Phillip Vanderpool with the Virtue TV. Probably out chasing old Saturday gobbler.
Hey, just leave a message.
Just leave a message and I won't call you back. Hey, old buddy. Just want to let you know, we are done in Illinois. My first Illinois turkey. What better place? Campbell Illinois Whitetails with Stymie and Steve and Kyle. Thank you so much, John Campbell, for letting me and Phillip come up here and enjoy this fine turkey hunting you boys got up here. We've got over 50 kills with the Virtue on video this year. It's been one of the best years of turkey hunting I can ever remember. And we got a big one. We're taking a big one back home to Missouri with us.
Boys, a great hunt. I mean, first time hunt here for turkeys in Illinois. It gets no better, and you do it on the first day. Great job, guys. Meanwhile, I get close with the Cam-X crossbow, but it didn't quite happen. Cam-X crossbows, built like no other. Let's head to the land of Lincoln, Illinois with Virtue Pro staff member Brendan Piper for a first season turkey hunt. Well, here we are set up on a 40-acre cornfield, and Brendan is joined by a longtime friend, Hunter Steele. Let's join him. Well, Brendan's working the magic on the lynch mob glass call there, that sweet music, and here comes a hen right out of the timber, right to it. Well, little Miss Henny Penny gets up there strutting around the decoys. Hey, she ain't liking it. She's putting on a show, and she's got an attitude. Well, they let this hen walk off. Pretty soon, here comes two more hens out of the timber, and one of them, too, has got an attitude, and here she comes. Pretty soon, down at the end of the field, there's a big old sad daddy longbeard steps out with a hen, and then all of a sudden, here comes another gobbler stepping out. Brendan's trying to work the magic on the calls of getting them down there. Pretty soon, they're working his way, but all of a sudden, now when the old sad daddy longbeards make contact with the decoys, here they come. Well, here come the gobblers, and boy, they run in there and they got some attitude. That 1-0 long beard, the dominant bird, he comes in and he's thumping on Bubby Jake. But the boys are trying to get a double, so they're waiting on the other gobbler that's hanging back.
Chew.
Boom.
That's awesome.
Done. Double in Illinois, first sit. DSD decoys, lynch mob calls, brought them in. I'm with a good friend of mine, Hunter Still. Hunter, we've been hunting for how long together?
Many years.
Long time. And we actually, one of the first turkey hunts we ever went on, we actually doubled up. And if I remember correctly, yours got up and ran off.
I think it did.
Yep. It was a good time. Guys, these birds worked in from over 200 yards on the ridge behind us. We knew they were roosted. We didn't know how many were actually in there, but once they broke the ridge and they saw the DSD decoys, they started weaving through the field, and literally ran in, and this one started beating up on the Jake first, and then we were thinking about shooting this one over to the right, but when we saw the second bird running in, we wanted to go ahead and wait and let them get together and have an opportunity to double, and that's exactly what happened. So it's time for some coffee and some eggs. Bam. Dunsky. You buying? Yeah, I'll buy. Let's do it.
We want to say a very special thank you to Hunter Still for inviting Virtue Pro staff, Brendan Piper, to come out there. Hey, guys, great hunt. Thanks once again.
Well, we're heading down to Kentucky. We're about halfway there. Got about 3 hours to go. But we're gonna roll in there about 10 o'clock tonight and get everything in the cabin. And pretty much first thing in the morning, just walk outside the cabin there. We build a blind and set up, and hopefully Dwayne can get it done. And maybe another bird will come in, we can double up.
Now let's head on down to the bluegrass state of Kentucky. We're going to be joined by pro staffers Brady Miller and Dwayne Jones, and we're going to be hunting on David and Becky's property, some of Dwayne's kinfolk.
Brady and I came down here 2 weeks ago and scouted, and so we're trying not to make a lot of noise actually. Last week, or 2 weeks ago when we were here, there was a turkey roosted probably 150 yards from this front door, so nobody's been back here for a few days. My cousin's been out of town, everything's been calmed down, so we're hoping for the best. What's going on, Brady Miller?
Well, we just rolled into a lodge down here in Kentucky. What is it, 10 o'clock probably?
Yeah.
So that leaves us at like 6 hours till we go kill turkeys.
Absolutely.
So, trying to get the truck unpacked, and you would have thought we were going for a week. And then we got a lot of stuff. Just to shoot a turkey.
Well, the boys pack it up. They drove about 30 minutes to a new farm, and it's about 1:30 in the afternoon when they get there. So what they decided to do is take some cedars, build them a little ground blind, and set up. And as they're setting up, turkeys step out into the field. Now he's locked in and the pressure is off. Now you got to make the shot.
Down goes Frazier. What a day it has been, dude. Oh my gosh. My whole body is trembling. Oh. I could not see that turkey until he's 5 feet from the decoy. You said he's 10 yards from the decoy, and I'm kind of like, what is he talking about? Oh my gosh. But I missed one this morning at 25 yards. He kind of got spooked and started to head out. And Brady said, hey, if this happens, just let it happen. Let him do his thing. When he gets his tail fan to you, draw, and it worked perfect. I may have shot the decoy though. I'm not sure.
It's not my decoy.
I didn't care. I don't care either. Heck yes,
Good job,
dude.
buddy.
Well, the Bluegrass State turkey hunting celebration begins with the boys. With all the turkeys that they've been seeing and hearing around the cabin, the boys decided to stay around the cabin and see what they could get on. The boys get the DSD decoy set up, they hit the lynch mob calls, and here comes old Sad Daddy on a run.
I think he's behind this tree. On record. Good. Woo! Woo! Smoked him, man. Holy smokes.
Man, he was coming across and I was just like slowly turning and I was gonna wait a little bit.
I cannot believe it.
Man, all of them were gobbling behind us and all of a sudden that one, I was like, he's gotta be in the field. And I seen through there and I was like, he's running. And then I couldn't see him, he's behind that tree. Got her done, 2 birds in Kentucky, buddy. Easter Sunday. Oh, it's beautiful.
Woo!
A big, huge kudos to the boys for pulling it off, because I know personally that it can be tough hunting from the ground when you don't have ground blinds. And the Option 6 bows and the Slick Trick broadheads, the Raptor Tricks, done their job. You boys done awesome. I know how tough it can be. Way to go, way to get it done in the Bluegrass State of Kentucky.
Slow down, small town. Don't let those city lights burn you to the ground. And let me have my run around out on those old back roads. Give me back my fishing hole, the one that subdivision stole.